Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we are gonna look at how to enable the closed caption on Crackle. Now let us begin. Initially, what you guys have to do is simply play any video of your choice. Let's say I'm gonna play this one right here. And as soon as the video loads, right here on the bottom right, you can see a button like this right next to volume, that is subtitles. Click on it, and guys, this is it. From here, simply shift from off to English or any other available subtitles. Do note that you can simply edit how you view the subtitles as well. Simply click on this edit style and choose whatever you wish, like the font size, the background styles and everything. And guys, that is it. Once everything's okay, simply play the video. And guys, this is it. As you guys can see, we have enabled the captions. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.